Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shay. Welcome back to the Grand Water Trine, Jupiter in retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal. A 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 13, Forgiveness for Peace. Forgiveness is not about excusing harm or reopening doors. It's about reclaiming your inner peace. Today invites you to release emotional residue that has lingered in your body, heart, or memory. Forgiveness is an energetic untangling, freeing yourself from the weight of resentment, grief, or unspoken pain. This lesson honors self-forgiveness just as deeply as forgiving others. Peace arrives when you no longer carry what was never yours to hold. Day 13 guides you into sacred act of forgiveness, not as an obligation, but as a liberation. Under the calming waters of this portal, you are invited to breathe, soften, and let go. This is a heart-centered reset where peace becomes possible because you choose freedom over emotional captivity. And a good journal prompt for this one is, what relationship, past or present, needs forgiveness for my peace? What relationship, past or present, needs forgiveness for my peace? And an affirmation: forgiveness frees my heart. Peace is my choice. Forgiveness frees my heart. Peace is my choice. So, thank you for flowing with me today, beautiful souls. As this grand water trine and Jupiter in retrograde in Cancer continue to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, shine, and evolve one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. And also, before I let you go, I want to remind you about our weekly Jupiter retrograde in Cancer tarot readings. I just dropped one this morning, and they emphasize deep introspection, ancestral healing, and spiritual recalibration. The cards highlight how this retrograde is less about setbacks and more about rediscovering hidden wisdom, shifting family patterns, and anchoring into devotion. The tarot readings highlight transformation and lineage shifts. Collective spreads show turning points where old family patterns are released and making space for empowered manifestation. And then we look at the hidden treasures. The retrograde energy uncovers spiritual gifts or overlooked opportunities, reminding us that slowing down reveals abundance in unexpected places. And then we also look at sacred recalibrations. The retrograde is framed as a cosmic reset, helping us reconsider beliefs, anchor into steady devotion, and step into clarity. So check those out. You will really enjoy that reading and possibly even draw some clarity from it. So have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. And thank you so much. This has been Empress Shay.